Hey guys, watch me as I made some fluffy cake and crunchy chin chin. Yeah, I'll be needing a clean bowl for this procedure. Yeah, and these are some of the ingredients I'll be using. This milk flavor. Yeah, and that is the vanilla flavor there. Yes, we've got our baking powder. Yeah, and that is the preservative for cake. We've got the butter, here's the sugar, like milk, and here's the flour we'll be using. We've got some eggs. I'm having my whisker, my measuring cup, and thereabouts. Yeah, so guys, let's get right into the video. I added most of the powdered ingredients into the whisked egg, and then I whisked immediately. I'm mixing the whisked egg together with the milk flavor, baking powder, vanilla flavor, and sugar. Yeah, so I had to whisk until I get my perfect solution. So yeah, this is what we've got, and then I simply added the butter, and there's some amount of flour and milk, and then it was unable to whisk, so I had to add some water because that texture was just too much. So yes, this is the best texture for cake. It needs to be in a texture that it can easily pour into the cupcake. Yeah, cupcake or the main cake container. So yeah, I had to use some cake brush to flatten the texture of the cakes, and use it in the oven. So we're gonna put it in the oven to bake to our preferred thirst. 15 to 25 minutes for Andrew James microwave. And here is the ingredients for making the chin chin. So right here we're having the flour already here, the sugar and nutmeg. Crushed nutmeg, and then we'll mix it in a way that when you touch it you won't be able to feel the sugar in it. And at this point I had to add some milk into it, and the milk flavor as well. So we kept on mixing and mixing and mixing. Here is where the work comes to mixing. So you get to mix and mix and mix and mix. So and now we're having the dough for the chin chin. This is the way I platter my dough. Just get a clean bottle, and then I use it platter the dough up front very well, platter very well. This is where the work is, guys. So you platter real quick. It also helps you to continue in the mixing process. To platter from front and back of the dough. You do like so. It helps improve the mixing of the dough. And then you cut into your desired shape. I needed it to be boxy, square shape, and very tiny. So that was the way I was dicing it. I diced and diced and diced. This is where the work is in making chin chin. It was already dark, guys. It was already late, so I had to fry up. And here is me turning it into the hot oil. You stir once, and then you leave to fry. And this has been what I've been frying. So I really wish you could have a taste of my chin chin. So guys, this is the final look of the cake. This is what we have as the cake, guys. It's a very God, this is what we have as the cake, the outcome of the cake, guys. These are the cupcakes, and our crunchy chin chin, guys. Yeah, bye.
This